know, in the busyness of everything today, people want things now. They want to have that mansion now. They want to have the Ferrari right now. They don't want to enjoy where they are in the process today. And I'm here to tell you, on the other side of it, what I feel like was the best moments of my life. I don't want to say the best moments of my life, but probably the best feelings in the moment was when I first got my first luxury condo, and it was like $3,000 a month, right? It was a nice 2-bedroom. It was my first time ever having anything as lavish as that. But then I went to Miami. I saw how crazy and lavish that stuff was. It's like, man, like my place was like nothing compared to this. But then I got a place in Miami back in the day. So when I got a condo in Miami, had an amazing view. It was amazing, don't get me wrong. But I realized the feeling that I had when I first got that luxury condo back when I was in my beginning stages was way better than having the best view in town of Miami. It was more expensive of a place that I had too. Yet for some reason, the feeling when I got that place was nothing compared to the feeling that I had when I first had my first luxury condo, $3,000 a month, right? And so now, you know, obviously things are bigger, right? Like my first car ever was the Camaro, which was like a $30,000 car. And I think at the time I was so happy. It was my first time ever having my own car. I was so excited. The feeling was amazing. Then upgraded to a bunch of other cars, Corvettes, all that stuff, and now Ferrari. And don't get me wrong, I still love all those things, but I'm like, man, the feeling when I bought those compared to when I bought my first was nothing compared to it. The feeling when I bought my first whatever was so much better. And so here's what I'm trying to tell you. If you're in the beginning stages or the middle stages, I want to tell you, enjoy it. Not saying stay in it, but enjoy it. Because the truth is, you think that, oh, if I have XYZ more, I'll be more happy. That's usually not the case. Sometimes the first time you ever get your dream car, the first dream condo, that's your peak on happiness. Outside of that, it's about being better every single day. It's about personal development. It's about relationships. When it comes down to materialistic stuff, it's just about your first. For me, at least, that's what I found. When I look back on what I enjoyed the most was my first car ever. It was my first condo ever. So I'm just trying to tell you, enjoy the rose, you know, smell the roses, enjoy the moment, and just keep chugging along.